आदाब नाजरीन, सैयारा न्यूज टीवी से मैं सैयद अफरोज। आइए नजर डालते हैं कुछ अहम खबरों पर।
आज सेंट हिल्स ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल ब्रांच न्यू होप मॉडल स्कूल वारमगड्डे ने आलूदगी पर एक रैली निकाली। स्टाफ और तुलबा ने इस रैली के जरिए इलाके के लोगों में बेदारी लाने के लिए बहुत जोश व खरोश का मुजाहरा किया। इस रैली में 400 से ज्यादा तुलबा ने शिरकत की। आइए देखते हैं ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
Not visible properly while you are moving that. It should be like this. I'll capture.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from New Hope Model School, Shastipuram. These are central groups of school, which our main head office is in Chandrayan Gutta. So today we have conducted a small rally on pollution. As the pollution is increasing day by day, we thought to bring awareness among kids as well as the people. So we have conducted a rally. Actually, our rallies are in all the branches. So this is the third day we are in the rally, and we are continuing with the same spirit, and making the children know about the pollution, types of pollution, how we can overcome it, and we want to same way give awareness, provide awareness to the parents. With this, I would like to say thanks to all the parents who have supported us, who have sent their children to participate in the rally. I feel like very happy to see the participation of my staff as well as all the students. It is a big success, how they are energetic, how they are like their spirit. Still they are continuing to walk, and we are working for a cause, and that is the major cause, pollution. And we are hoping inshallah that people will be aware about the neatness, cleanliness, the air pollution, water pollution, all the types of pollution, what we are suffering and how it is harmful for us. Thank you. With this, we want to give a message to the parents as well as all the people, locality people of these areas, about how hazardous it is to breathe in such polluted air. Thank you.
तो जैसा कि आपने देखा नाजरीन, क्या हो रहा है देश और दुनिया में। इसी तरह के लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और हमें दीजिए इजाज़त।